first show at Ukhozi? What was your first show?
My first show was The Drive. It was myself and Nomroza. Yeah.
Did they offer you a drive, or maybe they guabanama option?
Then they just they offered the drive.
They offered
the drive, and then it came with everything. Like they had a co-host, producers, and whatever. They were like, "Hey, here's an opportunity. Are you interested?" I wanted to do it.
Yeah.
I was like,
of course.
I think that's one of the things about me. I just vibe. I never took this thing as umsebenzi until something now. Yeah, I have kids, I have a family. But back then, I would just, you would think I'm doing great, and then I'll be like, yo, bye.
Yeah.
Let's go see ukuthi lapha kwenzakalani. And then if you ngihluleke khona or ngiphumelele, and then bese suke sengazi. What they were trying to do at the time was obviously to move into this space. I thought it is ovuna mina in terms of okay, here's the guy, let's see what they have. I don't think Obumina was really protected.
Okay.
In terms of the speed, none. Because Njobush, like the other person I was co-hosting with, nayo to compromise style asakhe.
Sure.
To suit me. So the best drive, I could have done it drive and even more successful if I also had an opportunity to decide who I was co-hosting with.
Okay.
Yeah. As simple as that. It has nothing to do with but she was also not going to compromise her style.
Would you say ukhamba kwigagasi kwaba a mistake? For
No.
your career?
For my career, no. No.